Hey guys, it's Maddie, and this is the AFI. Hey guys, it's Maddie here, and this is the AFI DIY Lab. I've whipped up some fun little wickless candles as a cool alternative to traditional candles. So follow along with me, and I'll show you how to make them. Alright, so I already have my water boiling here, so I'm going to grab my pouring pitcher, and I'm just going to place this inside, and inside this I'll be adding my wax. Alright, to help pass the time and while this wax is still melting, it's time to add the fragrance. And there's so many candle fragrances that we offer here at AFI, so I know it can be hard to choose. If you really don't know where to start, take advantage of the 6 free samples that we offer here. But if you want my suggestion, I chose Fresh Rain. It's nice and fresh, super simple, and I think it'll pair very nicely with this. I already smell it. It smells so good. Alright, and just to add a little bit of razzle-dazzle, if you will, I'm going to add a little bit of colorant in, and to pair nicely with the Fresh Rain, I chose the color blue. Alright, and just like that, you're already done. So I'm going to turn the heat off, just to let the wax cool down a little bit, but don't let it cool down too much, that way we're able to pour all the contents in here into our tins. So I'm just going to remove this out from our boiling water, and I'm just going to set this off to the side. Alright, I'm at 164, which is pretty close to 160, so we'll get started with pouring it into our containers. Alright, and just like that, we're done, so I'm going to set these off to the side and let them cool. These can be placed on a wax or a coffee warmer to fill your space with their fragrant goodness. I'm so excited to use these at home. Each of these tins only cost us $1 to make, and they can be sold wholesale for around $2 and retail for $4 to $6. Check out all the other fun candle projects we've made here on the channel over in our DIY playlist. As always, thanks so much for joining us in today's video. And if you liked it, well, go ahead and hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to become a member of our notification squad by ringing the bell. I'm Maddie, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. And until then, bye!